Part of this is for crew training. So a lot of what we plan to do in the future is have our candidates come in and test drive this so they can get a feel of how things will be driving on the moon. My name is Dylan Britton and I am an engineer on the LTV simulator project. We are at the Odyssey office in Houston, Texas, not too far from Johnson Space Center. This is the crew stand for the LTV, the Flex. We have our crew display and our controller here, and we are surrounded by our video wall.
We're driving on the South Pole, not far from Shackleton Crater. The terrain that you see when we're driving is actually driven by height maps from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. One of the big questions that you want to answer if you're going to have a vehicle that humans are going to drive on the moon is in terms of like when you're driving, if the configuration is comfortable, what can you see? Can you see rocks and things? This is just a prototype of a bigger simulator that we're going to build. The plan is actually to take what we're learning here and scale that up, and we'll build that at Johnson Space Center. Growing up as a kid, the commercial space program started to take off, and I was like, I want to be a part of that. It's even more exciting to get to do something that's a part of Artemis, which is supposed to be, my generation's Apollo. So I think that's very exciting.
This has been a very fun project to work on. There's definitely a lot more to do, a lot of big plans that we have, so I'm very excited to see where it takes us.